What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel, the channel where you can learn Elliott Waves and Excel charts for the time on, I'm saying that already, always, but you can learn Excel charts on the website, but not yet on the YouTube channel, okay? But anyway, so yeah, hope that you're all doing very well as always. This is extremely important. Welcome to everyone on the YouTube channel, welcome to new viewers, everyone. We're going to update Bitcoin after we have planned a short here with VIPs, and of course with some members during the weekend. That was pretty nice, by the way, to see how to take this nice short here, nice short position. After, of course, we have seen a very nice 24% move, almost 24% move to the upside from the last target, the more likely one we planned on the bottom here. This is just absolutely insane. Absolutely love Bitcoin, absolutely love trading. This was the last target here of the D waves, original or not. As I said, there are some different wave count. I'm going to show you some stuff here, give you some informations on maybe just for your learning, clearly for you. But that was the last target here where we was looking for a long here. Of course, we can do a nice push to the downside, all depends on the wave count here. We can still be in the wave 5 here, all the stuff like this. There are some different wave count, and yet you go and watch as a previous update. But here I just want to show something about something here that was pretty crazy. Okay, so I'm going to start this right after this quick introduction. You want to master the chart. You are bored about losing money by buying tops, by selling bottoms. The only thing you need is to learn a technical analysis. This is why today I'm here to teach you Elliott Waves. That is clear the technical analysis that is going to predict the next move, the next possible move. And in addition to Elliott Waves, I'm going to be here to teach you Excel charts. That is a tool you use, a software, or on the website by the way, you use clearly to see data behind the market. So for example, it will allow you to find your best entries in addition to Elliott Waves, and more obviously it will allow you to determine if you have to take a trade or not. So this is absolutely awesome. Elliott Wave plus Excel charts is just something crazy. This is just the best you can learn clearly to predict the next move and to ride the market, the crypto market, really nicely. So if you want to master the chart, as I said before, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website right in the description, and you will find absolutely everything you need. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy this video. Alright, so after we have seen how to take the short here, we plan everything on the YouTube channel for free, clearly. This was a VIP trade I was looking for personally. I mean, that was a big trade I was looking for personally with VIPs. As this video, by the way, show you, this was the first trade I was looking for from the very bottom to look for a retracement. This is where we find our retracement here. So on the very bottom, of course, this was already planned. Now this is this was on Friday, by the way, this update for VIPs. This next target here was the second target clearly was looking for a short. This was not the short yet clearly to take. Okay, so we just waited all the way down here. I mean, all the weekend. Of course, we have seen how to trade the long here. I mean, the low here, that was just pretty insane, because that low here, we got just a daily level. I gave to VIPs this daily level right there. I'm going to show that. I gave this new daily level here. Easy money, Rick. I just say to VIP, we have a new daily level here. On the weekend, we do really typical stuff. Okay, we know the different wave count. We know what can happen here. And yeah, it simplified my long here, simple as that. Okay, to ride that big kind of move to the upside here, that gives us a nice 10% move to the upside for the weekend. So that's just pretty nice. After we feed the long, I mean, I feed the long here, and we feed, we plan a long. I missed that long sadly. That took a lot because I was sleeping. That's just pretty annoying, I know. But anyway, feed a short here, feed a long here. Did not feed a short here, or feed a short, by the way. I don't remember. Yeah, I feed a short on that one, because we did a swing flip. I don't remember if I feed the short. But anyway, move on. We're going to move on the next one. Here's the daily level. Feed the long here. Feed the short here. Why? Simply because this was in our plan. Clearly, this was in our plan. Clearly, as the video here show you. This was in our plan. The plan was clear to look for a short here. If data are following and all the stuff is following, this is good to look for a short. What is happening here? Oh my god, this is, oh my god, super bullish breakout. What we got here, we got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder here that appeared everywhere clearly on Twitter. First of all, on the Discord server, Legend shared that, by the way. Sorry if I do not pronounce that good. It's Jerkai, I think it's a Jerkai, I'm not sure, but I think a Jerkai. This guy just shared this nice hidden shoulder right there, if I can find it out. As you can see here, this guy shared this nice hidden shoulder right there, and that would say just that would be insane, because that will turn everyone bearish on the low, so to speak, right there. This then will make everyone bullish on the high, so to speak, right there, what we have done at the moment in the trade we planned here. And once we may turn everyone bullish here, they will bring the price back down and turn one more time and make their own bearish again on the low to finally pump it out. That will be just pretty crazy. And yeah, that appears then everywhere on the fake traders account on Twitter, like Crypto Rover, all the stuff like this, Crypto. If Crypto posts it, we can definitely look for a possible for some trapped longs clearly on the very top of this move. Guess what? Surprise, surprise. Some hours later, ladies and gentlemen, what we got? Trade still open, and here shared. I don't have the that's like a lot. Wait, I'm going to go on Twitter, because where is the tweet? He posted down on Twitter. Let me just show you that. Right there. Oh, what is this? Okay, right there. As you can see here, possible breakout. Here we go. So what people are going to do here, this is clear for this hidden shoulder, target 36k. Okay, so what we are going to do here when we are trying to break this, I mean, these guys, these big communities are just posting this to make everyone bullish, for people to FOMO in the market. That's why you have to get a plan, you have to be ready. Like this, for example, this target here was planned from the very bottom here. This first target was planned from the very bottom. This second target we have done was planned from the very bottom. This target was planned yesterday in the Sunday AP update. That gives us a nice boost to the upside at the moment for day traders. I mean, this is just insane. I don't have words clearly, because here on the order flow, what we got on the very top, we got some. I mean, this is for the week on the weekends. So it's not really crazy amounts, but I mean I mean, I'm gonna go on the low time frame just to show you the amount of longs opening on the top here. The longs opening here clearly, so we have a lot of longs coming before on the move to the upside. Here we have a lot of longs coming all the way up here. We have a lot of longs opening here. Then here we go again, we have a lot of longs opening here, and here we go again on the very top, we have all of these longs coming in here. So 6 millions here, we have 5 millions before, we have 8 millions, 7 millions before, 1 million here, and some millions everywhere. Clearly that is just pretty insane, and people will just longing clearly into the resistance, because they do not have a plan, that are not ready for what is for how to trade the market, how to take to win money in trading. This is simply by taking the others' money. So how would you want to take the others' money if people are really longing into these fake patterns? I'm sorry to say that, but they just don't know how to trade, because this is just something typical. Yes, we are backtesting this as support. We can absolutely do this now. We backtest the neckline and pump it up, absolutely. But in the premise, all the people longing here, maybe place a stop loss here or something like this, or maybe jump in with, for example, oh my god, we are breaking. I'm going to jump in with X100, for example, X125. Absolutely don't know, and the liquidation is just so close. So boom, they're going to get liquidated. And yeah, this is sad, but this is how this is working. And while people are longing here, what we are looking for here is just a short, because these big communities, that's not the right tab by the way, but these big communities with Crypto Rover, Crypto, these big communities are not ready and don't know how to trade clearly, and just want people to FOMO into have to answer you mate. Just FOMO just want people to FOMO on the market, and this make me really crazy, because yeah, you're not going to win money like this. Okay, yes, you can lose a breakout, but at the end you will play a stop loss here or here, and you will get wrecked, because you will take the low. I mean, you will take the low, and you will get, because if you do not more or less take profit, you will get wrecked clearly. Now, if you're ready to move to the upside, it's pretty cool. Such as what I did with a long here, absolutely fine. But if you have a short to take, you have a short to take. And do not try to go into a breakout. It's extremely important, but we got all the bearish data we wanted here. We got absorptions, then we got some new shorts coming in next. Okay, so that's why an order flow is just extremely important if you want to trade. Like, I cannot trade without this now, and I don't want to say that, but I'm going to say it. These fake Twitter accounts like are not really necessary to follow, but we still have to be aware of just for these kind of patterns, because this kind of patterns is just something extremely important to look for. Travel longs, travel shorts. Price target 33k. He gave something else before 36k, but anyway, okay, you updated now. Sorry. Yeah, what the fuck here? You say 36k now and they 33. What the fuck? But even 33 was really that high. I mean, really high. And as you can see here, oh my god, the target is, oops, that's not the right tab. Is what is a target? 36 and then 33. So 33, let's say, and then 36. Okay. So what we're going to do here, we're going to wait for the target to be hit, and we're going to long here with some crazy leverage, all the stuff like this, big quantity, without stop loss, everything. So when we're going to bring the price back down, you're going to get a liquidation of your account, you're going to get wrecked clearly. And this is not how you trade. You run from the bottom, what we plan with you on the YouTube channel, by the way, and you short into the resistance. You short on the top, not in the top is clear resistance. You long the support, you short the resistance. This is something extremely important. So what we did here, we trapped a lot of longs. We have a lot of longs opening to the move here. So a lot of longs. We're talking about a move on the weekend, so it's not really crazy, but we have some longs, some nice amount of longs coming in all the way up here. What we do, we dump the price to wreck these people and to take these people money. This is how you win money in trading. You take the others' money. This is sad to say, but if you don't like this, you just don't trade, because this is trading. But anyway, so, and where do we find our support at the moment? Into the daily naked path control. So we move from this daily naked path control right there, as you can see here, with some confidence. You can see here daily level, all the stuff like this. The daily level recognized yesterday in the VIP live stream. That was we was more looking for some confirmations, because this was not really at the first touch here, was not really classed as bearish. And then we did a last push to the upside here, all the stuff clearly wanted. Now this bounce of this daily naked path control is pretty cool, to be honest with you. So we can absolutely do this, okay, as you can see here. We can absolutely do this now. I absolutely don't care, to be honest with you, because I'm long from here. From here I'm short. If I'm going to stop it out, I took profit, set my stop loss on 3. I absolutely don't care. Now I make my money all the way down here. Absolutely fine. I just won the money here off these longs opening on the top. They are losing money. I'm winning my trade clean. And not only me, but also some people on the Discord server, such as this guy here that was really looking for this hidden shoulder here, and I really don't follow. I mean, follow this crypto and crypto community, but just to get these kind of fake ideas. That's the only thing they are doing. And this is pretty cool to see some people like this today. And yeah, that gives us a nice 6% move to the upside. So for a day trader, a 6%, even 7% move to the downside, by the way, this is something to not miss for day traders. This is something to not miss. Clearly, after a 10% rise, we have seen a nice 7% move to the upside, and we can possibly do a bigger move here to the downside. That's why this is just pretty insane. And yeah, if we dump from here, that will wreck to a lot of people, because maybe if you feel it along there or something like this, your stop loss place it here to take the pretty slow, will just top you out. And maybe, or if you do not use stop loss, that's why you have to use stop loss, we'll maybe find your liquidation price and then get a bounce, and we will win this money when we're moving to the downside, because this is like this, clearly how it's working. So yeah, now are we going to hold or not on the time will tell us. We have some good data here for a bounce. Now if we dump, we dump. If we have some new shorts coming in, we have some new shorts coming in. Okay. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold. Yesterday I streamed the VIP was pretty insane for that. Anyway, so what can I say? That one is not a support really anymore, this daily level. Okay, well, just to really give you all this information to really see how to trade all of this. I'm not going to jump really more into details on how to trade, how to use the order flow and stuff like that. I'll give you already some information. We have absorption, we have then some new shorts coming in with this increasing of interest here while moving to the downside. Our new shorts, all the data before, I give you all the stuff. And yeah, once you have these shorts coming, you just have to remain patient. You most of the time, as I said by the way yesterday, so that's why do not hesitate to join the Discord server. If you ask me some questions, I'm here to answer you really, because as I said, looks good, as you can see here. Looks good. This data look absolutely good to go more down. Minimum takes it pretty slow, otherwise dump it, except if you have absorption. This is simple and that really. So minimum takes it pretty slow, otherwise continuation of the move, except if we do not take the low, if we do not get a continuation of the move, we expect to get absorption. If we do not have absorption on the lows here, if we do not have absorption on the low, we just take the price low or dump it. And we did not only to the price low, we just did not to the price low here, we just dump it clearly. So that's simple as that. It's really step by step. With the data you have, you know what's going to happen. And this is not really Elliott Wave today, but just to show you how to not to how to trade this clearly, because this make me crazy. You have a lot of people losing money in this kind of trade that can be a winning trade at the end, because if you know how to trade this, you're absolutely fine to ride this move to the downside, to take these longs money here, because as I said, people are going to long here, are going to get a crazy what the fuck stop loss, like a risk reward, like what the fuck clearly. I mean, maybe they think about higher, so that's maybe normal. We are maybe bullish for them, that's possible. But I mean, yeah, this is not a risk management. I mean, maybe it depends if you have this risk management. But anyway, for example, here you're going to place, okay, on the previous kind of low here, so right there. For example, I'm going to jump into a trade here. That was a nice long, by the way, from this target to right here. That was a really nice long to take. Boom, you're going to do what here? You're going to place a stop loss below the low here. Okay, boom, pump it up. Okay, I do not take profit because I expect even crypto says we're going to push high here, and boom, you got wrecked. You got stop it out. You do not take profit into the resistance. That's why you have to use Excel charts, for example, here with daily, weekly, monthly gap of control, sessions, TPO, all the stuff like this, that are extremely important to give you the most important targets on the market. The most important target, this is, for example, how we have been able to trade the low here. Not only this, of course, because we have, of course, a plan already, was waiting for this most common target to be hit on the very bottom here, where we find our support clearly. Can we do a last wave down? Yes, we can do a last wave down, and we can even jump from here, because we can be also in another pattern. You just have to watch the previous update. So I mean, just a WXY here, not a WXYZ, WXY. We can look for next targets here clearly. But in that case, that's a wave 2 and not a wave 4. But anyway, so sorry. Just to maybe update really quick is a wave count here. What can that be? We want to get 5 waves to the upside to be bullish from the bottom here, to say, hey, we have done the Z wave, we have done the wave 5, we have done the C wave right there, we have done the wave 4, everything is done. Now we are bullish. We are more likely bullish, because even with our 5 waves here, this is maybe not bullish, but let's say we are more likely bullish. Okay, if we are more likely bullish, so we expect to push higher next. Okay, we do not take the price low or stuff like this. We want to get 5 waves to the upside. What I say to you, what we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not saying these are 5 ways, because this can absolutely be a WXY with, so for example, an ABC, something really crazy. Be careful, but we possibly have some 5 ways. So now A, B, C drop, or wave 1, wave 2, and pump it up. Okay, these are some different possibilities. If you want to learn Elliott Waves, as always, you have the MOONCHARTS website right below in the description. You have the right there, course Elliott Wave here. You have for free the beginners and the Elliott Wave course number 1, 2, and Elliott Wave course number 3 part 1 for free on the website. So you can really learn the base of Elliott Waves, the most important stuff clearly. If you want to get more complex patterns, these of course for subscribers. If now you want to get some more information, daily updates, all the stuff like this, Sunday live stream where we plan some crazy stuff. It's just going to be insane. Market updates, all the stuff like this, it's VIP. Okay, but here this is possible. We have done the low. Now we can absolutely be also in this configuration. We are in the wave 5 here, or as you know it, for maybe people are following me and know what I think about this, what I say in the live stream. Okay, 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 3, what the fuck, 1, 2, we are in another wave 1, 2 here, so 3, 4, 5 for example, so we have another wave 3, 4, 5 like this to do, and another push to the downside to do. Okay, some different counts here, a lot of different possibilities, but I'm just trying to use a different smaller wave count here possible very quickly. Okay, but the most important was really this. Yeah, because this is just so important. This is just so important. Now if we lose all of this, do not be surprised, because that will wreck a lot of people. That's so simple as that. If we pump it up, this is a game, we pump it up, and I don't care, because this was a long target we planted here, and I give it just more money on the long. That's simple as that, really. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed. As always, if you have some questions on the market, for example, how this works, for example, because maybe you do not understand well, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you do not understand something in, I don't know exactly what. Do not hesitate to ask some questions in the comment section down below. Otherwise, you can join the Discord server and go in the you don't have questions about, just ask me some questions in the general chat here, and I'm going to answer you. Okay, yeah, if you want to check out the website, you can absolutely just right below in the description. You have everything clear you need. Elliott Waves and Excel chart, these are the two, one technical analysis and one software I'm using to clearly run the market. What I'm doing right now, after all of this, Clay, you know, these kind of trades are just pretty insane. This is pretty insane. This is from the top we have done at the moment, where we are at the moment. That's just pretty insane how we are trading this, and all because of Elliott Waves. I mean, thanks to Elliott Waves, so that is something that is going to predict the next move, and thanks to ExoCharts going to tell you if you have to take the trade or not. It's going to plan to plan some better targets, clearly. So anyway, if you want to know how to trade like this, you don't have to go on the website to check for the plans. For free upgrade, you can absolutely just stay free. It's here for free. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome here, and you already have some nice course for free on the website. And if you want to get more content, you can go and come on the Discord server. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed. That was not really, you know, we are going to pray the next move or something like blah blah blah. No, this was no more to show you how to not get wrecked clearly on the market, how to clearly react with these tweets. You can see by these big communities that are just fake communities. These guys, I mean, I don't know how they are doing, because all the time when they are sharing this kind of TA, they get wrecked. They get wrecked all the time. When you're sharing their trades, for example, yesterday was pretty cool, because I mean, this, for example, this kind of stuff, you know, we have here liquidations price. What we did before, we just bounced off the liquidation price of Crypto, because we knew where he was looking for a buy, because he said, he tells us from 30k to 27, 20, 29, I don't remember exactly, 32 to 29, something like this. I'm going to limit all the longs. So we got here the liquidations, and guess what? This was the exact bottom of the exact bottom, the last liquidation price. And that was pretty insane. This is what we were looking for also with VIPs. And now we have another trade set with a liquidation price around 24,200, something like this. So if we are not opposed to the downside, we know where we have to look at clearly to look for a long, because we are going to look for this price. This is where the market is going clearly. So this is you have to do some TIA, of course, but that's why these big communities are really cool, because you don't have to do the opposite of what they are doing. That's why this is pretty crazy. But anyway, and by the way, yeah, thank you, Jerkai. I don't know if I pronounced that good, but anyway, for boosting the server, I appreciate it a lot. You're the first, the second, by the way. El Polo did it, now he stopped it, but I was the only one doing this. And now you have, we have another server boost, pretty cool. Thank you for this, mate. And yeah, so hope you all enjoyed. Take care of you as always. This is extremely important. Have a brilliant day. This is extremely important. We're going to see if we do the last push to the downside. We're not here to say, hey, we're going to do this and only this. No, we have to accept what we do on the market. Just trade what the market is giving to us, and that's all really. And this is how you make money. If you trade what the market is giving to you, this is how you're going to make money. So anyway, take care, as I said, have a brilliant day, and see you in another one. Cheers.